which brings an even faster way for people to explore the web and find the next cool thing to share with their friends. And unlike other browsers, it's very easy to find meaningful content. The device comes loaded with a locally tailored start page that delivers such content such as local entertainment and news site. This makes it great for both beginners as well as more experienced users. Another point of differentiation with the browser is that it enables web apps for Series 40. Web apps make the internet great and fun to use with a very elegant user interface. So for example, this movie review web app that Neil's just pulled up delivers a smartphone-type experience on the phone. We're doubling users of our browser every 3.3 months, and these exciting web apps are a key reason why. Now, the developer of this Wi-Fi locator web app is the first to reach 1 million web app downloads, which is a testament of their appeal to consumers and therefore to developers. But let me tell you something that really excites me about the Asha 302. We already support a lot of consumer email services, but I travel a lot and I can't live without access to business email, which means I haven't been able to use one of my own Series 40 devices as my primary phone. Well, today we've solved that problem for me as well as other business users. And I'm really pleased to announce that we're bringing Microsoft for Exchange email to the Asha 302. So now people can stay connected to all accounts that are compatible with the Exchange ActiveSync protocol. This includes synchronization of email, calendar, and contacts. And so with all of these capabilities, the Asha is not only a great consumer device, it's well equipped for business use. So let's take a look. So we've made it super easy to set up, and Neil, I see you've already started that.
Yes, that's right, Mary. So I've entered my email address and my name and password.
And it's secure. So we automatically enforce the IT department's security policy. So Neil is now entering his password to unlock the account. And in the background, the email, contacts, and calendar are synchronizing. You can see he already has some emails, and he's going through using all the familiar email functions. Okay. Now, the other capability that I think people get a lot of use of is the ability to respond to meeting requests. So you can accept or decline meeting requests on the go. So soon you'll be able to download this Mail for Exchange client for both the Asha 302 as well as the previously announced Asha 303 at no charge from the Nokia store. So with the Asha 302, people can stand out from the crowd and really stay in touch. This device will be priced at retail at around 95 euros, and it's shipping now. Thanks a lot, Pete. So when you add up all the smart capabilities we're bringing to the Asha family, you can see that they really are a low-cost entry point to data consumption. And that's really what it's all about. Historically, feature phones have focused on delivering great voice and SMS capabilities, and will continue to do that. And for consumers who only want those features, will augment their access to the world with services like Nokia Life. But increasingly, consumers everywhere are demanding a rich, cost-effective data experience, and we're delivering on those expectations. So with the new Asha products, we're delivering the cloud-based browser, great apps, games like the new EA package, and enterprise capabilities like Exchange. Not to mention, they look pretty good in your hand. So with Asha's combination of beauty and brains, we're really delivering great capabilities to the next billion consumers. Thanks very much. Back to you, Stephen.
Thank you, Mary. Nokia Asha phones are smarter than ever. They're optimized for great apps, for social networking, and browsing experiences. And because we work with ecosystem partners all over the world, Asha brings not only global, but also locally relevant content to consumers. Now, as we continue to push our mobile phones to become smarter and smarter, our smartphones are setting a new pace. Earlier this year, we announced the Lumia 900 for the United States with AT&T. It was built for people that care about design, that love technology, and enjoy watching video, browsing the web, or playing games. It's won a number of awards, and we're getting great feedback on this product. And I'm pleased to share that we are going to expand the Nokia Lumia 900 beyond the United States. I am personally excited to announce that in April, the Lumia 900 will be available on LTE in Canada, my home country, with Rogers. But we're not stopping in Canada. I'd now like to invite Joe Harlow, Executive Vice President of Smart Devices, to tell you what's next for the Lumia 900. Joe, welcome.
Thank you, Stephen, and good morning, everyone. I'm really proud of the feedback we've had for the Nokia Lumia 900, and we are really pleased, Stephen, that Canada will have the chance to enjoy the full LTE experience thanks to Rogers. Bringing the first LTE phone to the market was an important milestone for Nokia, but we shouldn't forget that in many countries around the world, LTE networks are not yet deployed. That shouldn't stop people from being able to enjoy the superior content experience of the Lumia 900. So I'm very pleased to announce that we will be bringing the Nokia Lumia 900 to more countries around the world. Based on DC HSPA for twice the data speed of HSPA+. In every other way, this is the same great balance of design and technology for the best user experience. The same sleek, progressive look and feel. The same stunning 4.3-inch clear black AMOLED display that delivers crystal clear images indoors and outdoors. The same 1800 milliamp high-capacity battery that keeps consumers enjoying content all day long. And of course, the same great signature experiences from Nokia. For example, Nokia Drive turns any Lumia smartphone into a fully fledged personal navigation device, available free and only on Nokia. What you're seeing behind me is Peter demoing from the phone. So when you see the dots, that's where Peter's actually pressing on the display. And what he is showing is the ability to set speed limit notifications, which is part of a new release of Nokia Drive we are announcing today. This new release also introduces full offline capabilities, and you can reactivate routes with a single tap on saved destinations. In addition to a new release of Nokia Drive, we are also introducing the next milestone in our strategy to offer the industry's best entertainment experience on Lumia. Following the success of Nokia Music with mixed radio comes Nokia Reading with NewsStream. Nokia Reading provides a single integrated hub experience, making it easier and faster to enjoy your choice of news, of books, of audiobooks, including the ability to access content offline. So let's take a look at that. So with a particular emphasis on providing local language content wherever it becomes available. So Nokia Reading delivers a highly personalized and locally relevant service. And coming in an update is NewsStream. NewsStream solves the challenge of keeping on top of news on your phone by bringing together feeds on your favorite topics and from your favorite sources into one easy-to-read digital magazine. And when you pin your NewsStream magazine to the start screen, the content dynamically updates so you see breaking stories right on the live tile. Nokia Reading is another great way to get the most out of your Lumia smartphone without fee or registration, available to download for free and only on Nokia. And of course, the Nokia Lumia 900 has the same great camera with exclusive Carl Zeiss optics. But the Lumia 900 is unique
Thank you, Joe. I was there with you last month when we announced the Lumia 900. And we talked at that time about how that great front-facing camera really needed one application in particular to show off its power. And that application was Skype. So I'm very happy to share with you today that the beta of Skype for Windows Phone is now available for download in the Windows Phone marketplace. This unique, new Skype application will provide the best, simplest, and fastest way to Skype with users around the world from your Windows Phone. So please go online, find the link, and download this new application. Now, this Skype application is just one of many new applications in our Windows marketplace. Just last week, we passed 65,000 applications available to download for our users. And as Stephen said, since we announced our partnership last year, the rate of applications to our marketplace being submitted is growing. So beyond getting these great applications into our marketplace, an important priority for us has been geographical expansion. And one country in particular is very large and has unique technical and regulatory requirements. And so I'm very happy to share with everyone today that Windows Phone has been made compatible with mobile operator networks in China.
And yes, that means Nokia will bring Lumia to China. Nokia has a long and successful history in China. And now, thanks to the collaboration between Nokia, Microsoft, and our partners like Qualcomm, we are in a position to introduce a range of Lumia phones in China. So in the coming months, we will introduce Lumia phones for the Chinese market, covering both CDMA and wideband CDMA technologies.
Now, another important priority for us has been expanding the price point with which Windows Phone can be made available to consumers around the world. With other smartphone platforms, lower prices has meant lower quality. But with Windows Phone, we've done the engineering work to ensure whatever price point Windows phones are made available, consumers receive a great Windows Phone Metro experience. And so I'm very happy again to share with you today that we've lowered the system requirements for Windows Phone. Windows Phone will now be available on devices with only 256 megabytes of memory and devices using Qualcomm's 7X27A family of chips. And when you put together the increased geographical reach of Windows Phone in not only China, but also 28 additional application marketplace countries, with the lower system requirements of Windows Phone, the total addressable market of Windows Phone has now expanded over 60%. Well, since CES, we've been showing how Windows Phone makes it easier to do what we want on a smartphone. We're doing that again here at Mobile World Congress, and are surprising people with how Windows Phone is simply faster than other smartphones. I'm excited, because 2012 is a great year for the Windows family, and it all starts with Windows Phone.
Well, Terry,